Welcome back class. In this video we will study about the military exercises of India with other countries, and if you are preparing for UPSC exam you can visit our website isbio.com or exammap.com, or if you need or want notes in the tabular form you can WhatsApp us also. So the countries based on the security agreements are called as bilateral exercises if they are involving two forces of two countries, and if they are involving different or many countries on the basis of security agreements, then they are called multilateral military exercises. So the first is Australia, that is India having exercises with Australia. Exercise Austra Hind, exercise Ausindex. In Ausindex you can see that Aus for Australia and In for the India and X for the exercise. And the third one is exercise Pitch Black. Next with box Bangladesh, exercise Sampriti, in BN Corporate, in BN Bilat, in BN SF exercises, tabletop exercise and Samvedana. So in the in BN, in for India, BN for Bangladesh, so it is easy to learn it, and in for India, BN for Bangladesh. In the third one is also the same case, and you can use these exercises also in the mains answer writing, in the international relations answer writing. These are helpful for the mains also, and they are specifically for the prelims examination. So next with Brazil and South Africa, IBS summer. So India, Brazil and South Africa. With China, exercise hand in hand. With Egypt, exercise cyclone. With France, exercise Shakti Varun Garuda. With Indonesia, exercise Garuda Shakti. Indo Corpact and Indo Bilat. So for India and Indo for Indonesia. Same with this. And with Israel, exercise Blue Flag. With Japan, exercise Dharma Guardian and Gmex. With Kazakhstan, exercise Kaj Ind. We get hint from the name of the exercise also. Most of the exercise has the name of the country itself, like this in the CAS for the Kazakhstan and in for the India. So it will easy to learn these exercises. Next one is Kyrgyzstan, that is Khanjar exercise. With Malaysia, exercise Harimau Shakti. India, RMN Bill and exercise Hope X. With Maldives, exercise Ekuverin and Ekta. With Mongolia, Nomadic Elephant. With Myanmar, Imbex, Imkor, in MN Billet, Tabletop X. With Nepal, exercise Shurya Kiran. With Oman, exercise AL Naga, Nasim Al Bahar and Eastern Bridge. With Qatar, Jair Al Bahir. With Russia, exercise Indra and Avyendra. With Seychelles, exercise Lamietti. With Singapore, Simbex joint military training. And with Sri Lanka, exercise Mitra Shakti, Slinex, in SLN, SFX and Samvedana. With Thailand, exercise Maitri, Indo-Thai, Corporate and exercise Siam Bharat. With UAE, we have Desert Eagle. With UK, Ajay Warrior, Konkan, Indradhanush. With USA, Yuddha Abhyas, Vajra Prahar, Spitting Cobra, Sangam and Red Flag exercises. And COPE India. With Uzbekistan, exercise Dastalik. With Vietnam, Winbex and in VPN Billet. So next we have all the multilateral exercises, that is here we have involving of many countries. So we don't need to go into the deep of the details, but you have to learn the names of the exercises, because UPSC can ask the term that these term related to which one, or the disease or the places or the exercises. So you will tick on the exercise because these are the multilateral exercises. So multilateral exercises are of the BIMSTEC. We have many countries in the BIMSTEC. FN index MEDEX, SCO, Peace Mission, exercises T Center, exercise Cormorant Strike, Khan Quest, Cobra Gold, ADMM Plus exercise, Black Carilion, Kakadu, Komodo, Ions Warrior Group exercises, EOD, J2A, Marisk, Malabar, Rimpek, Cutlass exercises, Salvex, CCAT, Sitmex, Milan, WPN S exercise. So these are the important exercise for the prelims as well as for mains. You can use these exercises also in the mains answer writing for the topic of the international or relations with other countries. So thank you class.